Welcome back, guys. Now I just want you all to remove all of these things that we have seen. Now in this video we'll be doing a very easy challenge in order to make you all perfect. Here I'm just putting this thing as a comment line. Over here I just want you all to I just want the output of the website in this way. Write your name by your name, whatever your name is. My name is Saif Khan, and here write copyright, or rights, or maybe you all can write the current year, and do not put the current year and just by hard coding it. Use JavaScript to get the current year and put this thing inside over here. So that's pretty much easy. I guess you might have to Google a little bit about how to get the current year on Google. You can find it on the documentation of JavaScript. You can use MDN docs, or you can use W3 schools, whatever documentation you're referring to. You can use anything you all want. So the output should be in this way, by Saif Khan and then the year. So I suppose you have done that. If not, we'll just go ahead and do that now. So here first I'll create an div, because this thing looks, I really hate when there is an error over there. So now the errors are gone. Let's press Ctrl S, and over here I will create a var which will have my name, and here I will write Saif Khan, which is my name, and here I will get the date. In order to get the date, we have to use this thing over here. How did I know that? I went through the documentation of, I just wrote date JavaScript documentation. I went to the MDN docs, Mozilla documentation over here. I just saw that we can get day, we can use this is a constructor, and we can use date dot now will get the current date. So this is how we are supposed to use this thing. So I've just used that one and created that over there. Where is our, so we have created that, and to get the current year we have to write date dot get full year. So that will get the year, current year. Now if we console.log this thing over here, let me see if this thing works or not. Let's put this thing year over here. So as you all can see, when I put that, it gives the current year over here. So let me minimize this one, or maybe I'll just leave it in this way. Okay, I really cannot tend to see that thing over here. Okay, just leave that thing. And now over here in the render function, I'll just remove off this console.log, and here I will create a paragraph, or maybe 2 paragraphs. And here I will write name. And the reason that I'm giving you all of these challenges is to just make you perfect in all of these things what you are learning. So the more you learn, the better for you, right? So as you all can see, we have completed the challenge, which has Saif Khan and that. So the more you learn, the more you will know about things, right? So that is the reason we are doing this silly challenges, but make yourself perfect, because we'll be doing a lot more difficult things as we move on forward in the course. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. See you all in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.